In 2025, SSDs aren't just storage. They're the engines behind every gaming session and productivity workflow. With load times often reduced to mere seconds, these devices are redefining speed. Today, we explore the top SSDs that combine unmatched performance, endurance, and features tailored for gamers and power users alike. SSDs are no longer just optional upgrades, they are the heart of system performance. A solid-state drive now determines how fast you can load maps, open massive files, or switch between apps. Picking the best SSD means faster workflows, smoother gaming, and fewer moments of frustration. But which ones truly deliver in 2025? Let's begin with speed benchmarks. The PCIe 5.0 SSDs currently lead the charge, clocking at nearly 12,500 megabytes per second read speeds. They obliterate load times, ideal for gaming universes and rapid multitasking. But it's not just about speed. Power efficiency and heat management are critical differentiators in the SSD range. Gamers need more than speed. They need reliability over years of heavy loads. Today's top SSDs rise to this challenge with DRAM and high-endurance NAND built for marathon sessions. Whether you're raiding in a vast MMO or editing game captures, these drives ensure you're never bottlenecked by your storage. Productivity enthusiasts demand SSDs that balance capacity and speed. NVMe drives with at least 2 terabytes are optimal for large-scale editing, 8K video workflows, and multitasking. In 2025, you'll find SSDs with AI-integrated controllers, preemptively organizing your data for maximum efficiency throughout diverse workloads. External SSDs like the Thunderbolt 4-enabled units are game-changers for creators on the go. Offering speeds rivaling their internal counterparts, they ensure you can edit or game anywhere without compromise. Whether it's a portable gaming setup or a remote editing session, these external drives are redefining convenience in storage. Heat remains a significant factor in SSD performance, but innovations like graphene heatsinks are changing the game. These ultra-thin layers dissipate heat efficiently, keeping performance stable even during long gaming marathons or high I/O productivity. With these advancements, SSDs are finally bridging speed and stability. For budget builders, don't underestimate mid-tier SSDs. While they lack the absolute performance of PCIe 5.0 models, modern budget options still provide lightning-fast speeds compared to traditional storage. They're ideal for casual gaming and everyday productivity without straining your wallet, proving you don't need to compromise completely. The future of SSDs goes beyond raw performance. Emerging hybrid drives combine ultra-fast speeds with AI caching, predicting what you'll need before you even open it. This enables seamless transitions across tasks and gaming worlds. The result? Storage that feels almost psychic in its ability to anticipate your workflows. Choosing the right SSD in 2025 transforms your gaming and productivity experience. These drives bridge the gap between hardware limitations and your imagination. By investing in the right technology, you're setting the stage for seamless performance, whether you're taking on virtual battles or conquering professional projects.